To take best care of your dispenser, you will want to clean the beer lines occasionally. To do this, you will need a cleaning bottle available on our online shop and connect up to your Sankey coupler. To complete the cleaning process, follow these simple steps.
Step 1. Disconnect the top of the bottle so you can fill it with water, returning the top and screwing it back into place. You can now connect up your Sankey coupler to the top of the cleaning bottle, just like you would a keg. Step 2. Leaving the air compressor switch on, but turning the chilling off, pull water through the entire system until it runs clear. Step 3. Fill the cleaning bottle with water and beer line cleaning fluid. Cleaning fluid is readily available for around £10 for a large tub. Ensure the ratio of water to cleaning fluid is as recommended. Pull the cleaning fluid through the entire system until it comes out the tap. Step 4. Refill the cleaning bottle with just water. After leaving the cleaning fluid in the system for a short while, pull water through the entire system out the tap until it runs clear.
And now your system is clean and ready to be reconnected to your keg of beer. To sum up, you pull water through your system, then water with line cleaning fluid, and then water again, and your system is clean and ready to be reused.